Hello everyone from Tony, the Scout Ghost. Today I'm going to show you a short video I shot at AWE, and it's about Prehension AI. So Prehension is a company providing an SDK for Unity that helps you in detecting gestures. Hand gestures, animated one, let's say like this one. As an Italian, I have to show it. And doing this in a way that is reliable and easy to detect for many people performing the gestures is very complicated. So Prehension is providing this SDK with some machine learning magic that is able to detect animated gestures you made with the hands very easily and for a broad range of people. At AWE, I not only tried the demo, but also tried to, in the SDK, to record a new animation made by me about a gesture and check that everything worked. So you can see the process of me recording a new sample for a gesture and then testing the detection inside the editor. It was pretty fast, pretty quick. I just have to warn you that the audio is not great because exactly when I was at that booth, the microphone broke. So that's why you hear a lot of background noise. I'm sorry about that. But I think you can still understand why it's cool and why it can be relevant for you because it worked fairly well. So here you are the video and see you. In Unity, it's like an application we're planning to develop, and I can say we are using three gestures: big, small, and fade. Let's pick big. Now I can see on the screen there the gestures that are being recorded by hand to mean that gesture. So these are 4-5 samples. They try to replicate the same gestures, but they're all different. And if I want, I can add a new one. So let's see what they were doing. They were doing like this, and I can do a record. So 3, 2, 1, and I do this. So now the gesture is saved, and it's a beautiful gesture. And now we need to retrain the model, adding also my gesture. So give the phone to me, and Alex will do the magic.
Great. So here's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna stop this. We're gonna sync our gestures to the database. You can see it's uploaded 3 samples.
Okay.
And then we're gonna generate the model. You get a nice progress bar. You take.
You have directly a button inside Unity.
Exactly.
Okay, that's pretty cool.
So it's basically going through. This should be pretty quick because there's only like 5 samples for each one. So you get to choose your 3 gestures, or
I mean, it trains everything. Because of course you have to distinguish. If you had separate models, you could have a lot of false positives.
Yeah.
Okay, makes sense.
And then you also record you have a null class, basically like movements that you're doing when you're not doing anything.
Yeah.
And what that helps you with is, let's say it's catching something a little bit wrong, you can just add that to the class.
Yeah.
Right. Makes sense. So it's gonna be a little bit funky because you haven't recorded the fade or the small, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, so you see
the system.
downloading the generated models downloaded successfully.
Yeah, the model is downloaded.
Perfect.
Hi there.
And now we go back to our sample scene, and we're going to run that.
Okay,
so what you're going to see is a cube. You're going to hold your hand steady, and then take off the headset for just a second. If you want it to get smaller, you're going to sort of like make a fist. We're already making a fist. So, yeah, and if you want it to get bigger, you're going to do what you just did.
This was my gesture.
Wait, so hold it steady until assume a neutral hand position goes. There you go.
Okay.
And now do your. There you go.
My gesture, so I didn't break the model. Actually, it works.
No, it works.
Okay, now it's activated.
Exactly.
And now smaller was the fist.
Like
closing.
If you want to like twist.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you can also kind of move your hand to the side slowly to fade away.
Okay, let me try. Like this.
To the right, sorry.
Okay. So it was good.
Yeah.
So basically the good thing is that you can record a lot of samples of people doing the gesture in a different way, and the system automatically can detect everything without the developer having to implement a lot of heuristics or make the models by itself.
Exactly.
You provide this service on the cloud, some people can just put here what kind of gesture they want to recognize and blah blah blah. Clear?
Clear?
So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to my channel, and also if you like Prehension, go to the website. I put the link in the description of the video. And thanks for everything, and I wish you a great day in VR. Bye bye.